Hello everybody and welcome to a new project. This project will be the next in my Visual Studio series. We're going to be using a lot of if statements, and this is a little more if statement heavy, I guess, than I intended and than it was originally, but there was a pretty big bug in the one that I wanted to create that I had to fix. And to fix it, I had to put in a bunch of if statements. So yeah, here we go. So create a new project, and we will be calling this project when is your birthday? No. Hmm. Age calculator. There we go. So, age calculator, save it where you want it. Windows Form app. And okay. So while we load in, I'm going to tell you a bit about what this is actually going to be. So, as you can tell by the name, it's going to be an age calculator. And by that, I mean the user is going to input their birthday in some text boxes, and then we're going to use the date variable and use that to calculate how old they are. Yeah, it doesn't seem very hard, and it's not too hard, but there probably is a better way to do it than what I did it as. But we could use a bunch of if statements and create variables and all that, so it'll be fun. So first, select this form, and we're going to call it FRM age, I guess. And scroll down, text, age calculator. Yeah, okay. Just making sure I spelled that right. So here we go. Let's see here. We need 3 text boxes. So let's throw one there. Not tooltip, text box. And there. So next we need 3 labels. Put a label there, a label there, and a label there. And we're gonna need one right here. And one right here. We'll see why we need this label in a second. This is just gonna be the kind of how do I put it? Like the output one, output label. So next we need a couple buttons, because who doesn't like buttons? People keep saying that I push their buttons, but that was a joke. Anyways, here we go. This is the basic setup, I think. I can't really remember because I forgot to take a picture of my test run. But anyways, let's start naming things. So, this first label, right over here, select it, and the name, LBL, month. And then down here, just say month for now. I will probably end up changing it. And this will be LBL day. Text is going to be day. And this label is going to be, the text is going to be year. And the name, you guessed it, LBL year. For these text boxes, TXT month, TXT day, and TXT year. I may have forgotten to put in like a little directions label, but I don't know. So yeah, this label is going to be LBL example, and let's put example here. And this is going to be you are, 888 days or years old. It's one old person. Did I name that? No. Label output. Output. I think I spelled that right. I don't know. This button, okay. You guys have done this before. btn ampersand, okay. Oops. Today's been a long day, okay? Okay, guys, I know what you're saying. What an idiot, can't even type. But, it's been a long day. A long day of school. All of my, 2 classes. So, oops. So, let's select these buttons and make them a little, it was weird. Let's make them a little bigger. Format, center and form. These guys. Actually, we're going to change the font. I don't like this. What should we do? Wingdings. I like that. We'll do size 10. And then format, center form horizontally. And then, yeah, okay, you know what? We're gonna add another label. And we're just gonna throw it up here. We'll probably have to bring these down. Okay, these down. So yeah, this is kind of how my brain works. I'm like, you know what? We should put in another label. So LBL directions, not I think it was set to friend. Let's see, what are these? Friend. Yeah. Don't click modifiers. Let's see here. Text. Please enter your birthday. And let us change the font. We're gonna make it something nice. Impact, because we want to send impact. We'll make it fairly big. Maybe a little bigger. That's what she said. Okay, let's select this, format, center and form. I like to have everything kind of organized, Everything looks nice. So we're gonna make these a Palatino, why not? And size 12. Maybe size 11. And that'll do. Okay. Format, center and form, horizontally. These guys, center these in form horizontally. I already did that. I hate how... Okay. it's equal. Crap. Vertical spacing. That isn't it. Okay. Well, this is not a very good start, is it? Good thing this is going to be 3 parts. Here, we'll center this in the form. Now that's not even... there. Okay. Now we'll select all these. You know what? Whatever. There. It's good enough. Okay. I wish there was an easier way to do that. Like, yeah, make all of these, centered over these and all that, but oh well. Alright. This is going to be Palatino. Probably 10. You know what? This is going to be Tahoma. Okay. Sorry, alarm. Give me a sec. I'm still working. And then this will be Tahoma. Why can't I? Okay. Probably 12. Yeah. Alright. Select this. Center this in the form. Center this in the form. We're going to make this a nice font. Sure, Courier New 16. And now that looks dumb. Kandara. It's not bad. Maybe make it bold. There we go. That's not too bad. Except this. Oops. Okay. This is gonna be capital K. And then just select the form and make the accept button OK. So there we go. This, well, I don't like control. Let's actually make this dark. Yeah. Then make these white. Color white. And then probably white text. For color white. There we go. I like the look of that. So if we Control Shift S, let's start her up. Wait for it to build. And here we go. Here is our thing. So yeah, it doesn't look that great so far, but we're being prompted for what? Do you see this? Okay. Give me a sec. This is A. 69. Capital A. A piece. S. Raindrop. This is really weird. Okay, well, actually, this font is not going to be Wingdings, but Webdings. Oh, it's really weird. Simple, that's all it is, huh? We'll make it Sitka. Form horizontally. Okay. Let's try this again. Control Shift S. Start her up. Okay, that's better. It's not great, but it's better. So that will be it for this episode of part 1. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. Goodbye.